New day, new project. We're gonna replace the chicken coop, chicken run? No, this is chicken run. Anyway, we're gonna replace the door for the chickens and my super annoying rooster. So I've ordered something called a ChickenGuard. Also ordered a special kind of door. It's not something super fancy, it's the basic model. It uses a timer to open and close the door so the chicken can get out and get in. So this is the door we have right now. Fancy, right? Made it myself. It's not super sturdy anymore. It's been working well for the last year, I think it is. But it's time to replace it with an automatic one. No, you stay. So the door, instead of opening sideways, the new one is just gonna slide up. So that's the plan. But it's gonna be way more sturdy. It's gonna have like guide rails on the sides to keep it in position. It's not insulated or anything, and we do get some cold weather during the winter months. But we didn't have a problem with this one this winter, so I think we're gonna be just fine. Okay, let's see what we got. Ooh. Ah! Whoa. So here we go. One ChickenGuard. Automatic door opener. What's in the box? So it's a self-locking door kit. It comes with screws. Fancy pants instructions. Okay, so these are the kind of the rails that go on the side. I think you can just click them together. Like so. So here we have the opener itself. So it's 4 AA batteries, some screws, and the thing itself. Okay, so this is the motor. This wouldn't be that hard to build yourself, to be honest. You just need a control unit. Anyway, so I need to lift this out. Get the batteries. I like that it had branded batteries. ChickenGuard. And we're just gonna pop them in. And then just simply put it back in. ChickenGuard.com. The silicone seal, that's this string. I really don't like putting in these kind of flimsy seal things. And it's too long. It's a bit short, but oh well. Okay, so now it's resting on the silicone seal rubber thing, stringy. Okay, it has a setup wizard. That's kind of neat. Okay. Okay. Language. I think we can keep it in English. I do like the 24-hour time. It's 13:45 right now. Okay. Okay, so we need to install the door. I should probably have done that first. Okay, the chickens are all inside, and I've closed it from the inside, so you can go ahead and remove that one. There we go. You're not supposed to use a power tool for this, but I'm gonna do it anyway. So I got the rails done. This is the B one, so I'm gonna start with A. And I'm just gonna put this in, I think, and then just try to line it up. Actually, I'm gonna use both. Yeah, that should be good, right? I'm gonna try to keep this in place. Right about there. That's not the right bit. Right there. Oh, that's a bit tight. Looks good enough. So if you're trying to install this door in a chicken coop that doesn't have perfectly flat walls like mine, Then you probably need to have some kind of distance right here. I found a piece of scrap wood. I think this will do the trick. And apparently my rooster Roger is in full rampage mode, so... Exactly. Shut up, I'm doing this for you. Okay. So first I'm gonna attach this little string. There we go, nice and tight. There's only one problem with doing this. I'm using my safety sandals, and when you do that in a chicken run full of chicken poop, you're gonna get some shit on your feet. Piece of wood. Perfect. Okay, that will just have to work. I'm gonna do one more calibration, just for good measure, then we're gonna test it. Okay, so there is a few different ways you can set this up. First of all, I would suggest you actually follow the instructions. I didn't. It's. I wouldn't say it's perfect. It works for me. He want to get out. An issue I'm facing right now is the door doesn't really go as far up as I program it to do. I think that has something to do with me not putting the motor high enough, because right now it doesn't really have any clearance between the end of the string or the top of the door basically. And it says in the manual that you want a few inches. I'm trying to make a video, but you have a manual option where you can just push it up and down. I'm going to try that to let them out. I programmed it to open at 8 AM and close at 10 PM because that's usually when they're already back inside by then. And you have a sensor, that's a light sensor, and then you have something called Lux Plus, and that's a combination between the timer and the light sensor. It's going to primarily use... Oh, frick! It's going to use the light sensor first, and if it doesn't get dark enough before the time hits, it's going to use the timer. That's it. So yeah, let's try it out. Hope that was helpful. Can highly recommend this product. Truth be told, I just used it once, but it seems to be okay. I'm trying to end the video. Could you shut up? So this was a quick, easy solution. I really like it. It was easy to install. I didn't do it by the book, but I never do. So if you want to see something else interesting, just go ahead and click right there. And if you want to see a lot of stuff that I have posted, click over there. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.